きょくせん, used in math, design, graphs, and maps, also appears when gently talking about the body's shape. 曲線、数学やデザイン、グラフや地図でよく使うよ。体の形を優しく言うときにも出てくるよ。It is used as a noun. 曲線 literally refers to a smoothly bending line, the flowing outline of an object, or gentle body contours. まっすぐではない、滑らかに曲がった線や、その外側の形を指すよ。人の体の柔らかな形のことも言えるよ。The first kanji means bend or tune. You can hear it in kyoku, which is a song or tune. It also appears in sakkyoku, the act of composing music. Think of bending and making a melody. The second kanji means line or wire. You see it in chokusen, a straight line. It also shows up in rosen, like a train or bus line. Picture a path running across a map. This graph is a curve. このグラフは曲線です。このグラフは曲線です。A circle is a smooth curve. 円は滑らかな曲線です。円は滑らかな曲線です。I drew a curved line in my notebook. 私はノートに曲線を描きました。私はノートに曲線を描きました。Follow the lines to cut the curve. 線に沿って曲線を切ってください。線に沿って曲線を切ってください。The most common synonyms of the word are cob and ko. Cob is casual and common for roads and shapes. Ko is a math or geometry term for a circle's part. Kyokusen is broader and works in math, design, and body shapes. The most common antonym of the word is chokusen. It is a line with no bend, the opposite of a smooth bend. In graphs or drawings, chokusen contrasts clearly with kyokusen.